Regulators per PAN card, they have to invest 50 lakhs in a portfolio management service. We can have a couple of investment approach with us. Taking it the other way around, we might have 50 portfolio management service. We might tie with a lot of wealth firms and distributors. And they can distribute it in multiple investment approaches with multiple founders. That is the way we plan to bring in business for you in the coming times as well. Another commonly asked questions, are there restrictions from our side? Obviously there are certain, but to a minuscule level. I mean, you can trade into any scripts that you want, but according to the guidelines given by Gold Standard. Is this your own branding? Is this your own business? Yes, it will be your own business. It will be primarily your branding that goes into documentations with regulators, to your customers, to the end applications that we will be providing to your customers. There will be certain payment modes that are there. In that case, we are right here at this desk. Please feel free to have a chat with us. Putting faces to a few names, our team over here, Jassi sir and Harsh is here. Guys, can you please wait for us? We'd be happy.
I am Pankaj Mani. I am the co-founder of Laksa Lambda Quantitative Strategies Association. Laksa Lambda Quantitative Strategies Association that is conducting this conference here in Bangalore for the first time. And I'm basically into quantitative strategies and risk management kind of stuff, advising institutions and all those people.
I am Rishi Kohli, co-founder of this Laksa Quant Association with Pankaj, and I have been focused on quant and systematic strategies in India from the buy side since 2008, and run a lot of hedge fund strategies for the Indian market since then.
About the conference today?
About the conference, so Laksa is an association which has been created to bring the quant community in India together, because there was no institutional quant association to bring the community together to both exchange ideas, do more detailed research, and that helps build some world-class firms, and this event is to enable all of that.
How many delegates have attended, sir, today?
About 200.
From all over India?
200 associates from all over India, yes. People have travelled from Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Ahmedabad, Surat, at least what I know of.
Some are from abroad as well. So our effort is to create a platform, quantitative strategy platform, it becomes a win-win for everyone, into the education, research, to create awareness, because these days quantitative strategies are applied across the domain, whether it is business, whether it is medical line or anywhere, education and all those kind of. So it's for everyone, artificial intelligence and all those things. We are trying to create a platform, a world-class platform, a global standard platform, based on my global experience, where we could do some world-class research here and bring global people here and then export the local research to that a global stage, and so that it becomes a win-win for all the institutions, people and country at large. So that's what we are aiming for that.
Under one roof?
Yeah, under one roof. And it's the first of its kind in India. For this.
And it's a non-profit association.
And it's a not-for-profit.
It's a non-profit association just focused on the quant industry in India. So it's like I say, for the people, by the people, of the people, everyone on the quant and systematic side.
And then we are also taking this to regulators to as a voice of the community, so that in the policy making and government policy making and all those things.